Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Nigeria Finance Diary. Here we talk about everything personal finance, investing, business, and self-development. But today's highlight, you're going to be looking at companies paying dividends this November. Of course, it's raining dividends. I know, right? Let's quickly look at them so I don't waste your time. The first on my list is MTN. Of course, it's a leading telecommunication company providing voice, data, fintech, and digital services across Nigeria. How much are they paying? They're paying 5 naira per share. Say you have 100 units of MTN currently, you just check your portfolio if you have MTN. If it's up to 100 units, you simply multiply 5 naira times 100 to get the amount you're expecting as dividend on the 28th of November. How do you qualify? If you don't have MTN already in your portfolio, to qualify for this dividend, you need to have bought MTN shares before the 21st of November. Don't say I not do anything for you this November. The next on the list is Presco. So Presco is a leading Nigerian agro-industrial company. Interestingly, if you live in Nigeria, you should know that the agricultural sector is on a good spike this period. Based on the government policies, it's really favorable to the agricultural sector. Looking at Presco PLC, they specialize in the cultivating of oil palm and the production of refined vegetable oils. And they've made good profits this year, so they want to share some with you again. And if you want to be part of those persons taking profits from Presco, let's do this. 30 naira per share, that's what they're giving you. Qualification date 7th of November, so you need to have bought Presco before the 7th of November. Payment date 21st of November. The next on my list is Aradel. So this is the upstream energy company. It's an integrated energy company in Nigeria engaged in upstream oil exploration, production, and power generation. You know the oil magnets, you know the oil guys, you know the oil blocks. So when you think of all of that, think Aradel. They are going to be paying 10 naira per share. Qualification date is 20th November 2025. The payment date is 28th November. One thing I always tell you, don't forget to check the share price. Now, the last time I checked MTN, it was slightly above 500 naira. So, interestingly, you should check the share price before you rush to buy dividends from this company. Don't be in a hurry. Make sure you do your own due diligence. But if you need my guidance, you don't want to miss another opportunity to learn and earn, or you want to see the stocks I'm buying next, then pre-order the finance launchpad for access. What do you have in it? Well, it teaches you more about dividend investing, how you can make good money rotating your dividends. I cannot explain that now, but when you get that launchpad, everything will be embedded in it. But right now it's available on pre-order. We haven't launched it, so best bets to people that are getting it on pre-order because they're getting it at a very affordable price. So those persons getting in on pre-order, of course it's a wolf, because our launch price is going to be very different from our pre-order price. The link is in the comments to get the finance launchpad if that's what you need. Okay, for those asking what would be there for me, right, we're going to be looking at strategies to buy winning stocks you should watch ahead of 2026, mutual funds. We're going to be covering FGN saving bonds. We're going to be covering high interest savings account, how to invest in the stock market without losing your capital. We're also going to be checking catalysts for growth stocks, how to use TradingView for technical analysis when it comes to stock, how to find undervalued and overvalued stocks. So it's basically a video lecture. If that's something you're interested in, I suggest you just go to the comment section, you see the link there, and just pre-order. If you stayed with me to the end, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's going to help us get this video to more people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.